my beautiful ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Mansi and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So in this video, I am going to show you some clothes. So I haven't made any fashion content in a long time, so I really want to do that. And my sister visited me recently. I think she visited me in Feb. So she got me a few printed kurtis and tops, and there was one short and some jewelry. So I'm going to show you that. And around Valentine's Day, my partner took me shopping to H&M, and I got a few things from H&M. So that is also what I am going to show you. So if you're interested in that, because I have got some pretty sick outfits and I think they're mostly top options. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. So for our item number one, we have this very cute Hello Kitty shorts. So this my sister didn't get for me, but I think destiny had plans for me to have this, and it didn't fit her. So now I have this. So I basically wear it as a night suit. So yeah, I mean, who doesn't want to look cute when they're going to bed? So for the rest of the video, I'm going to change into this and show you how it looks. So for my top option, I am going to wear this basic, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, हम तो बनियान बोलते हैं, but this basic top from H&M. क्या टी बैग बोलेंगे? This is not basically टी बैग but banyan from H&M, and I have this in black color as well, because you know sometimes I like to wear shirts and उसके अंदर कुछ बेसिक पेयर करने को नहीं होता. So I really wanted something casual, comfortable, क्योंकि गर्मी में you do not want clothes sticking to you if you're going to be outdoors. So that is what I'm going to get changed into and come back. Look how cute it looks. Let me give you a 360 turn. This is so cute. At first I was like nah, because you know it has this elastic band, and most of my fat gets stored here. So you know I have this problem with elastic bands कि वो या तो ढीले हो जाते हैं या तो मेरे पेट में इतने टाइट फील होते हैं कि I cannot be comfortable. And if I am thinking of wearing it as something that I will wear at night, I want to be comfortable in it, but I think it looks cute. So let's start with what my sister got. So this was item number one, and for context, if you are watching me for the first time, my sister lives in Delhi, so she gets to shop from Sarojini, Janpath and places like that. And you know जो trendy kurtis, printed tops आप देखते हो, she was able to get. और भी trendy चीज़ें हैं she is able to get, because Delhi में you know you are close to fashion. So I am grateful that she gets me these. So let me show you what I have. For our item number one, we have this very cute printed, floral printed kurti, and इसके back में you can see थोड़ा सा backless है, and we have the strings here जो आप बांध सकते हैं. I have worn it once, and इसके साथ एक problem हो रही थी which I'll show you is when I was wearing this, तो ये टाइट करने से ना ये पोर्शन जो है वो ऐसे बेंड हो जा रहा है. So I'll have to get it altered, but it looks pretty and I didn't want to give up on it, because मेरी सिस्टर ने मुझे एक और कुर्ती दी थी and it was like मुझे यहाँ से टाई करना था, but it was not sitting very well on my body. अब आप इस outfit को देखेंगे, my body is, I think, and even my sister says कि एक square shape में straight. तो I feel that if I have an outfit जो मुझे shape दे रहा है, then that looks good on me. But that top just looked straight on my body जो वो कुर्ती थी, and it was not sitting right on my shoulders, so I gave it back to her only. So let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks, and I checked एंड यार कितने प्यारे कलर्स दिख रहे हैं, ये ब्लू इसके इतने प्यारे दिख रहे हैं। एंड इसकी ये बेल स्लीव्स हैं। आई थिंक ये स्ट्रेट पैंट्स के साथ बहुत अच्छी लगेगी, बट फ्लेयर्ड पैंट्स के साथ भी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी। और यू कुड जस्ट वेयर लिनन पैंट्स, उसके साथ भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। यू सी दिस पार्ट, ये यहाँ पे ये ऐसे बेंड हो रहा है। इफ़ यू आर समवन हु नोज अ लॉट अबाउट क्लोथ्स, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स कि व्हाट कैन आई डू कि जिसके कारण जो मैल फंक्शन हो रहा है वो ना हो। बिकॉज लुक एट दिस, कितना प्यारा कलर दिख रहा है ये ब्लू कलर का। Guys, I was looking back at the video and I was wearing my shorts with the kurti. When I've changed into the jeans, I'm sorry I cannot show you the full outfit. कैसे दिखाऊँ? But अगर आपको थोड़ा भी दिख रहा होगा, it looks good. This is the best I can do. This is how it looks. It looks so good. And the material is very light, very good for the summers because हमें exactly ऐसे कपड़े चाहिए होते हैं जो हमें suffocate ना करे. It's very light, color is very light, very summer friendly and it looks cute. अगर यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी चूड़ी पहन लें, हम बिंदी लगा लें, कितने प्यारे दिखेंगे. So yeah, so our next top is this floral top. इसमें लिखा है 100% viscose. Is viscose a good material, good for the nature? I don't know. Please let me know in the comments below. But ये material भी बहुत अच्छा feel होता है. When I'm touching it, it doesn't feel like कि it will trap my body heat, which is good, which is what I want. And कल मैं धुरंधर 2 देखने गई थी, so my outfit was this top and the exact jeans that I am wearing. So let me get changed into it and show you how it looks. Guys, this is how the top looks, and I said it is a floral top, but I don't think it is a floral top, it's a printed top. My bad, I'm sorry. And it has this ये बांधने के लिए, and you see how it's looking अभी एकदम loose, which I don't mind, but see this. And if I tie it, which I'm going to, देखो, I am doing it on my own, but I'm just a girl, so do not mind जब मैं आपको टर्न करके दिखाऊंगी कि मैंने कैसा बांधा है. Obviously आप किसी से बनवाएंगे, so should I ask my mother to do it? Let me see. Yeah, it looks fine to just show you. And you see, this is how it looks now. So cute. And इसके साथ भी आप चूड़ी पहनेंगे, बिंदी लगाएंगे, and maybe a liner or a kajal. It looks so good. Let me just quickly show you the jewelries. But that is it for the clothes. इस बार कम लाई है मेरे लिए वो. I will ask her to bring more clothes for me. I mean, who doesn't like gifts? देखो, ये लेके आई है वो. यही आई थिंक इस आउटफिट के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. लग रहा है अच्छा. देखो, अब इसमें आई फील कि बस एक ब्लैक बिंदी होती और लाइनर लगा होता. टू बैड मुझे लाइनर लगाना नहीं आता, एंड मुझ पे सबसे अच्छा लाइनर मेरी बहन लगाती है, एंड शी इज़ नॉट हियर. बट दैट इज़ हाउ आई वुड स्टाइल दिस आउटफिट. एंड इसके साथ आई वोर और आई वुड वेयर जूती. yesterday आई वोर जूती, बट या, दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. Something about me that I do not have an eye for these things. It's only when she buys it and she wears it and styles it that I am able to visualize. So you can say I do not have ऐसा कुछ visualizing वाला. I have to see it on someone, but on the other hand, she can visualize कि वो कैसा दिखेगा. But this is the second bracelet. इसके साथ नहीं जा रहा है ये ब्रेसलेट. मुझे थोड़ा सा बोहो वाइब्स दे रहा है. ये आपके लॉन्ग मैक्सी स्कर्ट और वाइट टॉप के साथ जिसमें ऐसे ब्लू का पॉप हो. सो दैट विल लुक रियली गुड. बट या, सो आई हैव टू गो फॉर माई ट्यूशंस and I am thinking that I will come back and record a video, but if I can't, then I will do it at some other time, and there will be a time gap between these videos, so just letting you know. But yeah, I am concluding this video for a while. मिलते हैं break के बाद. Hello guys, so this is the next day. I could not record yesterday, but thank God I'm able to record today. Let us proceed or resume our haul, and the next item that I want to show you is this shirt that I'm wearing. I think it is called a wrap shirt. I got this a long time ago, and this one was not gifted to me. Oh no, it was gifted to me, my bad. It was gifted to me by my partner, but I chose this one, and I was like, please get me this one, and he got me this one. And I must say, today is the day that I think I have paired it in the best way possible. And yeah, so it has strings here and it has strings on the inside, and I think the material is cotton. It's very breathable, very good for the summers. I love it, and I am wearing it because I will be going out after this. Let's move on to the next item. The next item are these pair of shades. These are from H&M. This one is also from H&M, and this is the part of the shopping that I did as a part of my Valentine's gift. And I am so grateful because these are my first pair of shades. इसके पहले कोई भी ऐसा shade मुझे नहीं मिला था that would suit my face, क्योंकि my face is this small and nothing looks flattering on my face. It is either too big or funny or small. I don't know. Mostly big. This is how it looks on me. I love it. And I don't know, it's like an instant switch. Like whenever I put this on, I feel like a gangster. Do not come near me, I will cut you. That is how I feel with this one. Let us move on. The next three items are jackets. You know, when I was a swimmer, the one thing that I would get asked about the most, and you know, I used to swim in a public swimming pool. There weren't a lot of swimming pools that were functional, and every time I would get stopped and people would ask me, how are you so fair, how are you not tan? And उस टाइम तो मैं कुछ ज़्यादा करती नहीं थी, या कुछ ज्ञान नहीं था मेरे पास देने के लिए, but even still I think I am able to get away without putting any sunscreen and still do not get tan. So how do I do that? I wear jackets. So if I know that I am going to be out in the sun a lot, then I am going to wear a shirt that fully covers my hands or a jacket. It is a non-negotiable for me. So this is the first jacket. I'm wearing it on my short. Yeah. Please ignore this, but this is the first jacket. I love how it looks. Sorry for that, but yeah, this is how the jacket looks. The sleeves aren't very cinched in. I think it's loose fitting, if I might say so, and if I close it, it is going to look like this. This is the back. Yeah, love how this fits, and I think this one feels a little more heavy, or feels a little more heavier to be wearing in the summer, but I would still wear it rather than going out in the sun without any protection. So the next jacket is, it's this chocolate brown one, and iska material is completely different, and I wear this daily when I go out for my tuitions because it looks good and it protects me. And this one is a little lighter, so I do not feel that heavy or suffocated. Let me see how it looks. I think both of them is going with the outfit that I am already wearing, and that's the beauty of these jackets. That is why I got them, because they are versatile. They will go with, I think, most of my outfits, and it is always good to carry jackets. If you want to adopt one habit, I think it should be to carry jackets, because even if you're not feeling hot, there are a few places where they just have their AC on I don't know what setting, and it feels so cold, and you cannot always rely on your man to give you that jacket, so carry your own. The next one is also a jacket, but not like this one. Wait. So this is my third jacket. It is difficult to believe, but I did not have one jacket that was, how you want one jacket where you could just put it on winter में, and whenever you're going for a walk and something like that. And जब मैंने ये shopping की थी, weather was chilly and I thought थोड़ा time के लिए और chilly रहेगा, but never mind. When I go for badminton in the morning, the weather is a little bit chilly, and when I come back, I am in sweat and I feel cold, so I want to have something, and this is it. Let me show you how it looks. So I have been wearing this a lot while going to badminton, and I love it. And the fun fact is, I had already decided what I'm going to buy, and I was taking the last stroll कि कुछ तो दिख जाए मुझे कि मैं ले लूँ, and suddenly I saw this and I was like, yes, I want a jacket for that purpose. मेरे पास I think जो sweatshirts बोलते हैं वो है, I think मेरे पास hoodie भी नहीं है, so I wanted something like this. Ignore this, but I love it कि ये आई थिंक मेरे सारे जैकेट्स जो अभी तक मैंने आपको दिखाए हैं, आई लव कि वो मेरे रिस्ट को ऐसे लॉक नहीं कर रहे, बिकॉज इफ आई वॉन्ट टू पेयर समथिंग inside them, it will be a much more easier and I won't feel suffocated, so I love that. Besides from this, I got a pair of 10 socks, and it was like एक floral printed था and एक plain था. So we divided, my sister and I, 5-5. Then we also got a perfume, really good perfume. My sister has a nose for these things and she found this perfume. I loved it. I sadly do not have it, but I plan on buying it. But I will put a picture. I'll ask her to send me the picture and give you that. It smells, you see, I am that person who cannot describe you how it smells, but it smells heavenly. I'm thinking, have I forgotten something? I think not. There's just one more top. I will wear that and show it to you. Wait. Guys, this is the last top, and इसको I think cardigan बोलेंगे. And this is the type of cardigan that you can just wear with your jeans and you will look so elegant, and that's the beauty of it. I will just quickly wear it and show you how it looks. I think I am attracted to elegant clothes. That is how I would like to describe my style, or the style that I want to build or have in my wardrobe. And this is that. This will look good with white straight pants and also light blue jeans. I love it. And इसके साथ I think this jacket, it will look good. Let's yeah, it looks good. I have gotten these items with the thought process that I want to look good without the effort of thinking what should I wear, how should I wear, how can I pair, because these things go with a lot of things, so I do not have to use my brain that much. And that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I feel so much better because I wasn't able to record. I have moved into a new place. I have recorded a few clips and might show you how this new place looks. If you're interested, let me know in the comments down below. I can even tell you the reason why we shifted. It was a nasty reason. Let me tell you that. I am so happy to make this video and I'm glad that I'm able to do it. Thank you. Please support me. Share it with your loved ones if you like any of these items. I shopped it from the store, so I don't know if I'll be able to find them on the site, but I will try to link the products and you can go through them. That is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, share it with your loved ones. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below and I will see you in the next one. Bye.